Chiliz value equivalent to 26,004 rands a coin. The present cost range, 250.72 as 150. The earlier date close, 27,056. The change was 1,052, 389%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at 370 rands. Excessive cost 459, while low cost 370. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 407. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 429. Change for August 15.9%. Chiliz figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 429 rands. Excessive cost 533, while low cost 429. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 472. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 498. Change for September 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 498 rands. Excessive cost 587, while low cost 498. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 533. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 549. Change for October 10.2%. Chiliz figure for November 2024. Before all else cost at 549 rands. Excessive cost 624, while low cost 542. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 575. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 583. Change for November 6.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 583 rands. Excessive cost 641, while low cost 557. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 595. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 599. Change for December 27%. Chiliz gauge for January 2025. In the first place cost at 599 rands. Exorbitant cost 652, while low cost 566. They found the middle value of cost 607. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 609. Change for January 17%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at 609 rands. Exorbitant cost 633, while low cost 551. They found the middle value of cost 596. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 592. Change for February 28%. Chiliz conjecture for walk 2025. At the outset cost at 592 rands. Excessive cost 643, while low cost 559. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 599. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 601. Change for spring 15%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at 601 rands. Excessive cost 653, while low cost 567. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 608. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 610. Change for April 15%. Chiliz figure for May 2025. Before all else cost at 610 rands. Excessive cost 705, while low cost 610. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 646. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 659. Change for May 80%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset cost at 659 rands. Exorbitant cost 659, while low cost 545. They found the middle value of cost 612. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 586. Change for June 11.1%. Chiliz conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at 586 rands. Excessive cost 649, while low cost 565. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 62. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 607. Change for July 36%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 607 rands. Exorbitant cost 753, while low cost 607. They found the middle value of cost 668. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 704. Change for August 16%. Chiliz estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 704 rands. Exorbitant cost 765, while low cost 665. They found the middle value of cost 712. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 715. Change for September 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 715 rands. Excessive cost 777, while low cost 675. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 723. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 726. Change for October 15%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2027. Before all else cost at 2176 rands. Excessive cost 2366, while low cost 2056. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2202. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 2211. Change for April 16%. Chilliz figure for May 2027. At the outset cost at 2211 rands. Excessive cost 2745, while low cost 2211. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2433. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2565. Change for May 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2027. Before all else cost at 2565 rands. Excessive cost 3183, while low cost 2565. The found the middle value of cost 2822. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2975. Change for June 16%. Chilliz conjecture for July 2027. Before all else cost at 2975 rands. Excessive cost 3693, while low cost 2975. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3274. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3451. Change for July 16%. July 16%.